Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram Reels. When you open your Instagram app and then you wanna download this Instagram Reel, all you need to do is just tap this paper plane icon at the right side of your screen, and then all you need to do is just tap this copy link button. And once you copy this video, you'll now go to Google Chrome. Then here on Google search, you need to find here on search box, Save Insta. Then tap on search and need to find the link of savefree.com. So as you can see, it was on the second link. So just tap that one and you will find Save Insta homepage. Then you can go on this Reels option so you can download that Reel video. So to download that video, all you need to do is just paste the link right here on the box. Then tap on that view button. And once you tap that, you will find, and if you scroll down, you will find that Instagram Reel video. So right here, all you need to do is just tap that download video. So once you tap that, you will now go to this download page. And here on download page, when you scroll down, you will find that video right here, and you can just also tap this download video and then close all the ads that pops up and then wait until you download this video right here. So finally, I just downloaded that Instagram Reel video. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.